Yvette Manveen here from Awesome Dogs, and today we're going to make some noise. Specifically, let's talk about those noises that really scare our dogs. Now we're going to use conditioning to teach dogs that the scary things come to mean good things, that we're going to try and change that underlying emotion, or ideally prevent a fear from setting in the first place. Now the issue is most rehab programs work with distance, and in these cases there might not be any place where you can go that you're far enough away that the dog feels relaxed enough to be able to feel safe. So things like drums are really loud. Our goal here is to help our dogs relax and feel safe when they hear these sounds. And obviously they don't need to lie next to the drum kit in order to accomplish this. This would be our end goal. We have a bit of a problem here. If things like drums or thunderstorms and construction are so loud they literally shake the house, how are we ever going to get enough distance that our dogs can be relaxed and safe while undergoing the process of learning to like these things? By recording the sounds, we can lower the volume even further, giving the dog greater comfort and helping with our rehab process. This is Karma getting a treat for hearing the noise, and it's being played at very low volume, but the video is playing at full volume, so this is what she is actually hearing. If we can't hear the sound, then how is it that we can be sure that the dog has heard the sound? Since Karma's puppy ears are black and a little hard to see on the camera, this is video of Kip, and he's got ears that are very clear to see. And one of the things that I wanted to show is dogs orient towards sounds that they hear, or at least sounds that they find have caught their attention. So before they look towards something, their ear will flick and turn towards that sound. I don't need to actually hear a sound in order to know that my dog has heard that sound. I can watch closely and see what his ear is telling me. Watch the dog and realize that they will flick their ear before they look. Let's watch that again in slow motion. When Karma has gotten comfortable with the sounds that are very quiet, we can gradually bring the volume up, and now you can start to hear the sounds that she's experiencing. And only once she's gotten completely comfortable with those recorded sounds can or should we start adding in real drum sessions, the vibrations from those drums, or if you're dealing with thunderstorms and other sounds, really can be quite intense.
Good.
Finish the job. Work in a variety of situations and locations. Get your dog used to noises that startle them, but do make sure that you work in a variety of different situations so your dog's prepared for anything. A quick recap of the rules behind classical conditioning. Scary things should come to predict good things, and if there's no scary sounds, then things should be boring for the dog. You want your dog relaxed through the process, If you do make mistakes, and mistakes can happen, make things easier. There's always a way of making an exercise easier for the dog. Good techniques, they lead to good results. So do try and stay precise with what you're doing. Notice that some of the feeding was rather quick in the video, so the dog made a clean association. And finish the job so your dog knows to feel safe in any context. And finally, remember that there's no behavior. The dog is being fed because the scary thing is happening and they can hear the scary noise. If you're looking for more help with any behavior problems that your dog might have, or if you're just interested in some obedience or manners classes, would love to hear from you. We're at www.awesomedogs.ca. Now on this video, I would like to give a special shout out. Thanks JV, that's my son, doing that drum work for us so that we were able to put this video together, and hopefully it helps some dogs out. So thanks again, JV.